educate people about passive income. So, you won't have to be the mercy at, not knowing how to navigate, with your finances. You know, I'll tell more about that later, but I'm grateful and thankful, being able to work with the people and just know how to be more independent with it. So we was just over here, yep, about maybe a month ago in the summertime, being able to have the people exercise. They had some food on that side. I was doing my little stretching over there, like I'm gonna do with you today. And then we had people over here. They was over here eating, getting a workout with me. Had other people over there on that side, and they was over there getting stuff. It was like a big health event. So we got to keep self in shape. You know what I mean? So I'm over here show y'all some stretching because y'all need to be de-stressing. You got to do some sort of movement. You know, you got to do some sort of movement. It's great for stress management. So let me go over a few quick moves with y'all. Okay, what y'all want to do? Tai Chi, or y'all just want to do some? Y'all want to just do some moves from a movement system? Yep, that's what it's about. You got to move. Just waiting for a sister. What time is it? Because I forgot I got another class too. All right, 2:07. We on point. But I got to start navigating on the other side. Let's do some stretching real quick. Let's do some stretching and flexing. All right, y'all. Hallelujah. Thank you. I didn't even bring my tripod today. So I'm going to have to, let me check my bag one more time. Yep, I left it. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. We're going to make this easy. It ain't hard with God. It ain't hard with God. Thank y'all. All right, let's do it. I'm just going to do something like this real quick. Real quick. And I think that should be good enough. Let's see. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, y'all. We're going to do some flexing. If you need to work your stomach, I want you to hold your stomach in, and I want you to hold your hands up. And we're going to go 1, 2, count, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we're just doing 10. Now we're going to keep the stomach in. If you're not used to holding your stomach in for a long period of time, just make sure you breathe. That's more important, okay? Now we're going to do is just lift the knee up. All right? You ready? If you need to, hold on to something, depending on your age level. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4. Let's go. 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8, and hold right there. All right, y'all? So I'm going from 10. I'm going to 8. I'm working down. Okay? Next one you're going to do is a basics. It looks like a squat, but it's something that we do in Tai Chi. So we're just going to go like this. Take a nice deep breath. Come on. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold on 1. Okay, now what we're going to do is do 2 more. All right, we're going to put some boxing into it. I want you to grip your hands like this. Close it. Close it. These go on the inside, not on the inside like a Frankfurt. Close it. Close it. Okay? And we're going to throw some punches. Get in the fighting stance, feet shoulder distance apart. And I want you to turn it like a football. 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 Now, up, 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 up. All right. Now we're gonna finish off. We're gonna finish off with the last one. I want you to get into stance, sit, and hold the ball. And I want you to say, I love myself. I love myself. I forgive myself. I accept myself. I love myself. Forgive myself. Accept myself. And one more time. I love self. Forgive self. Accept self. And bring it in. All right, y'all.